Hello guys, and today I'm back with a new video, and the topic of my video is how to fix the ifconfig command not found. And in many Linux and Kali Linux and any Linux distributions, different Linux distributions, you may have the problem that ifconfig not found. So I type here this is working right now. Okay, I want to close this. Okay, I want to close this and open the new terminals, and I'm just go to type this. So this is not working and showing the ifconfig command not found. Okay, so for this I'm going to type one command, only one command to fix this error and fix this. So let's go. Okay, so you need to copy one command that is in the description. So this is the command. So I'm gonna copy this. Export path equals to $path is to /sbin. Okay, and I just copy. It's basically do that. It's export the path. Okay, you know that there is a directory in the Linux called bin and sbin. So some command may be in the bin and some command may be in the sbin. Okay, so okay, let's go to the ls terminal. Okay, over here. Let's try again. ifconfig, this is not working. ifconfig one more time, not working. So let's paste this command and enter. Now guys, it will work surely 100%. Okay, ifconfig command working. Okay, so another important thing, it is working, but important thing you have to know that whenever I used to exit the terminal and open the terminal again, it is not working. Okay, so that's why you have to paste the command again and again. It's an every new open or new open or reopen. Okay, let's paste this and ifconfig command you can use right now. Before, so in conclusion, I want to say that firstly, if you want to use the ifconfig command, so firstly you have to command this command, paste the command. Okay, so thank you everyone to see my video, and if you have some problem and so many questions, you can have in the comment section. You can ask me and you can share with me and help me and support me with your one subscribe button, and be tuned for my videos. I will be updating the video like this, and stay home, stay safe from COVID-19. Okay, bye bye.